In today's video, we will be sharing with you this easy Tuscan chicken recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 3 chicken breasts cut in half, 1 pound of mushrooms, 1½ cup of Parmesan, half a cup of heavy cream, 2 green onions, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 2 garlic cloves shredded, 2 tablespoons of butter, half a cup of sun-dried tomatoes, and 3 tablespoons of oil. In a pan overheat, add the oil. Season both sides of each of the chicken breast slices with salt and pepper. Once seasoned, add to the pan. We're going to cook the chicken completely on both sides or until it's golden brown. Once the chicken is cooked, place into a glass bowl. In the same pan, we're going to add in the butter and melt. Add the mushrooms and saute until they become soft. Add the garlic and continue to saute. Add in the sun-dried tomatoes. Add the heavy cream and mix until combined. Add the Parmesan and the green onions. Add the chicken back into the sauce and make sure to coat it completely. We're going to let it simmer until the sauce becomes thick. Our Tuscan chicken recipe is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.